Hey y'all, it's Carrie Morey from Callie's Hot Little Biscuit here in Charleston, South Carolina, and it's the holiday season, and I try really hard to shop at my favorite South Carolina purveyors, and today I wanted to talk to you about Clemson blue cheese. They make a blue cheese dressing, but they also make some of the most delicious blue cheese, which I always have stocked in my pantry, and I use it for many things. I make a great blue cheese pasta. I love cheese crisps made with blue cheese and pecans. I love a salad with crisp apples and blue cheese, but today I'm gonna show you my party recipe. I love to take this Clemson blue cheese, let it soften, put it in a little sandwich bag, and pipe in this delicious local South Carolina blue cheese into olives. It is the perfect accoutrement to my favorite drink in the holidays, which is a martini. These glasses are actually local South Carolina out of Holly Hill Estelle colored glasses. Cheers.